Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we'll look into is, let's say we have two lists. Like here in this case I have two lists called X and Y. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to append these two lists. So in that case, let's say you want to join these two lists, let's consider. So here we have three methods in list. So first thing is you can directly write X plus Y. If you write X plus y, and if you try to print, so this is how, like here we can see these are the values. Let's assign this to one new variable. So now let's try to print this jet. So this is how you can create a list by appending two lists. So another option is like, like by joining two lists. Another option is like, let's say you wanted to append the list whatever is there, x dot a, and if you give and whatever the list you wanted to append. So now if I try to print X, I can see there is a list it got appended. But in this case there is a bug we can see over here that it is happening in reverse. Like the inside the list we can see another list. So in this case, to avoid this, what we can see do is, this is extend of X. So in this case what I am doing, I'm extending the y list with X elements. So now if I try to print y, I can see. But like in this case what happened is, as we already appended the list, let's try to append the z here. Let's try to take these values again. Now let's try to append this. Now if I try to print, so now here you can see, when we are appending whatever the list is there, it is coming as a list again. So instead of that, if you use extend method, here we can see that like all these new elements, it got extended. This y got extended with all the elements which are present in the X. So these are the three options which are available. Let me just rephrase those things again. One is X dot append, another one is X dot extend of y, another option is like X plus y. So these are the three options where by using this we can join two lists. This is all guys, thanks for watching my video. Let's catch up in the next video.